buddy. That's decent. Makes it a lot nicer, you know, when you're in the fishing hut and it's just a little shoveled off. Just saves a bit of time, makes it less wet. More better.
Sean says more better.
Well, more better, more gooder, same thing.
We finally made it out here at this lake. It's like, I think it took like an hour and a half or something. Was this an hour drive or?
A bit over an hour.
God, it's like forever, but it was beautiful out. We were above the clouds the whole drive.
I think blue sky's coming in too, a bit more. Hells yeah, baby.
There's just some people out there, right there.
Squish 'em.
We're gonna try and get, yeah, just right there. We're gonna try and get out to the middle.
Hells yeah. You are here. We're gonna go out of the books here, somewhere over here probably. Is that where we're going? Right here?
If that's Kentucky, then yeah, we're right here.
We're gonna go here somewhere.
Yeah.
Those
So
are deadly.
there's those guys are in this shallow area here. It like does this, and then over here it kind of seems to do that again. Like it shallows in here, and then there's a bit of a bowl here. But I think this is the deepest part of the bowl.
There's two spots. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Fuck yeah, man. Let's get out there. What a beautiful day. We're wasting sunshine.
Oh yeah.
That's like...
That's ice fishing right there.
Wow.
This is Stephanie's setup right here.
She get lucky.
I don't know. It's just a really nice...
That's Stephanie's setup though. She'd probably get mad if I used it.
I doubt it.
Really?
Goddamn Stephanie. I'm just gonna put this on because it's already all set up. Just this weird Max one. Tyler stole my favorite one. Maybe with this. That's all right. So the bottom one, that's me right there. Sean was up here, he's coming back down because that was a fish over there. And then if that's where the fish are, then Kokanee school and they tend to stay at the same height. I'm gonna set the hook so hard on this fish if it bites again. He's gonna have brain damage, dude.
Emotional, man.
Yeah? Sick.
What did I say? You don't want to look at the camera?
Oh, look at the fly fisherman just doing weird things.
Oh, fuck, man. Don't trust the drag on this fucking hell. Snap the fucking. You guys just yarded out of the hole or what?
Yeah, I do. I mean...
Okay, alright. We'll just bring it up. beautiful.
Oh, wow. That is a really chrome fish, Sean.
Yeah, oh no shit. Holy smokes. Look at that. That thing is so chrome, dude. Holy smokes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Here. See the difference? That's the first kokanee I've ever caught ice fishing.
It's difficult, man.
Cherry popped.
Popping cherries.
Hey, get on there, you. That's how I did the last one.
That is a huge school of kokanee.
So, Richard, we're gonna cook up this kokanee here today.
We're gonna cook up Sean's kokanee. It's gonna be awesome.
Wow, that's our kokanee. We're out here together. What do you got there? You got some margarine?
Yeah, I got a pan. Got some stuff.
You told me to bring a spatula and tongs, and I did such. So. That's a red fish. Holy fuck. That looks amazing. Cook that up. Never filleted a kokanee before. So we got some Traeger spice here. Salmon and chicken. We're gonna try it out. Just a little bit. And then we also got some little bit of lemon pepper. Boil that skin, season that skin up. We'll skin down first, baby. Let's take the skin off. Cilantro? Black beans?
Sure.
Alright. Look at the lake, bro.
Oh, dude.
What a good day. Good day.
The fog is rolling in like crazy right now.
Holy shit. Yeah, temperature's dropping. But we're doing alright. Alright.
Sean's over here just killing it cooking food. I've been flying the drone and this fog is getting crazy. It's so cool out here and my drink turned into like a slushy. It's weird.
Let's do a cheers.
I like it.
If you want more?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Bro, what?
I got
Stop
the
it.
only bite.
It's very citrusy.
Is it?
Yeah, but like super good. Buddy. What the fuck? I haven't had a bone yet. Oh.
Oh yeah.
What?
That rice is real good.
Dude, yeah, man.
Oh man, this is a good call. I'm glad you brought that.
Fuck. I'm glad you brought that stove.
Well,
That fog fucked right off. Just look at that. That
Yeah.
was fucked up. That was weird.
yeah, there's only a little bit in the far corner over there now. Unfortunately, I brought my tripod, but I forgot the little attachy thing at the top. I had it in my pocket, and yeah, so.
How many bones do you think you swallowed by now?
One maybe? So you're not gonna get to be able to watch us eat, unfortunately.